Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It is Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 8:21 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. When water and air meet, new light shed on mystery structure of world's most common liquid interface. Science Daily, October 5, 2011. Findings by research at the Riken Advanced Science Institute and their colleagues in University in Netherlands have resolved a long-standing debate over the structure of water molecules at the water surface, published in the Journal of American Chemical Society. The research combines theoretical and experimental techniques to pinpoint for the first time the origin of water's unique surface properties and the interaction of water pairs at the air-water interface. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 8:22 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. All of the odor and CO2 flight patterns reveal how mosquitoes find hosts to transmit deadly diseases. Science Daily, October 5, 2011. The carbon dioxide we exhale and the odors our skins emanate serve the crucial cues to female mosquitoes on the hunt for a human host to bite and spread diseases such as malaria, dengue, and yellow fever. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 8:22 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. 2011 Nobel Prize in Chemistry QSA crystals, once thought to be impossible, have changed understanding of solid matter. Science Daily, October 5, 2011. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences has decided to award the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for 2011 to Daniel Stechman on Technion, Israel Institute of Technology in Hafnia, Israel, for the discovery of QSA crystals, non-repeating regular patterns of atoms that were once thought to be impossible. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 1:03 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. First images from ALMA telescope hidden star formation in antenna galaxies revealed. Science Daily, October 4, 2011, in celebration of the start of the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Arrays ALMA Early Science Observation, the National Radio Astronomy Observatory NRAO has revealed an image of emerging pair of galaxies as seen by the growing ALMA telescope. The detailed views of star formation in the antenna galaxies confirm that this new telescope, while far from completed and with only a fraction of its ultimate imaging capability, will surpass all others of its kind. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 1:06 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Written in the stars. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. Robert Frost wrote, "What will be the final destiny of the universe? Probably it will end in ice." If we are to believe this year's Nobel laureates in physics, they have studied several dozen exploding stars called supernovae and discovered that the universe is expanding at ever accelerating rate. The discovery came as a complete surprise even to laureates themselves. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 1:09 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Engineers build smart Petri dish. Device can be used for medical diagnostics, imaging cell growth continuously. Science Daily, October 4, 2011. The cameras in our cell phones have dramatically changed the way we share the special moments in our lives, making photographs instantly available to friends and family. Now the imaging sensor chips that form the heart of these built-in cameras are helping engineers at the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, transform the way cell cultures are imaged by serving as the platform for a smart Petri dish. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 1:11 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Since the late 1800s, biologists have used Petri dish primarily to grow cells. In the medical field, they are used to identify bacteria infections such as tuberculosis. Conventional use of Petri dish requires that the cells being cultured be placed in an incubator to grow. As a sample grows, it is removed, often numerous times, from the incubator to be studied under a microscope. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 1:12 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Alzheimer's might be transmissible in similar way as infectious prion disease research suggests. Science Daily, October 4, 2011. The brain damage that characterizes Alzheimer's disease may originate in a form similar to that of infectious prion disease such as bovine spongiform encephalopathy, mad cow, and Jacob, according to newly published research by the University of Texas Health Science Center at the Houston UT Health. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 1:14 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Mirage effect helps researchers hide objects. Science Daily, October 4, 2011. Scientists have created a working cloaking device that not only takes advantage of one of nature's most bizarre phenomenon, but also boasts unique features. It has on and off switch is the best used underwater. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Wednesday, October 4, 2011, 1:16 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Climate change simulations show which animals can take the heat. Science Daily, October 4, 2011. Species' ability to overcome adversity goes beyond Darwin's survival of the fittest. Climate change has made sure of that. In a new study based on the simulations examining species and their projected range, researchers at Brown University argue that whether an animal can make it to final climate-friendly destination isn't a simple matter of being able to travel a long way. It is an extent to which the creatures can withstand rapid fluctuations in climate along the way that will determine whether they complete the journey. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. It's Wednesday, October 5, 2011, 1:28 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Answer the day. Who was the first U.S. president to make a televised address from the White House? U.S. President Harry S. Truman believed in the power of television. He kept the TV in the Oval Office, and on this date in 1947, Truman made the first televised White House broadcast, relayed to New York and Pennsylvania. In it, he called for the Americans to refrain from eating meat on Tuesdays and poultry on Thursdays in an effort to help save grain for people starving in Europe. Televisions numbered only in thousands at the time in the U.S., and most people listened to the speech on their radios. Still, Truman continued to televise all his addresses, including his 1949 inauguration speech. This year, before he had been the first presidential candidate to broadcast a paid political ad. Truman, by the way, was not the first president to appear on TV. That was Franklin D. Roosevelt, who made the speech from the New York City World's Fair. In 1939, that telecast was only seen on the receivers at the fairgrounds and the Radio City Music Hall in New York. And